Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another tweaks video. In today's video I will be talking about a tweak will be remove and change the whole things on your Cydia application. The interface will be different and I will be showing you guys how you can download the tweak in your jailbroken device. Before I'm gonna start today's video, just make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I release a new tweaks video. Alright, so the first thing, you need to add a repo, which you will be finding in the description down below for you guys. Make sure you add that repo. For those who already knew, they don't know how to add a source, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and press on the edit, add, and go ahead and add the repo, which once again I will be leave for you guys in the description down below. Once you finish download the source, you will be find the CydiaXi right there. If you just go ahead and press on it, go ahead and press on the all packages here, you will be see the CydiaXi. Go ahead and download the CydiaXi, and this is how it's gonna be. It looks like it will be changed the interface of Cydia for you. So here we have the feature theme. If you just want to tap on it, it will be looks like this, same thing, but just the interface will be different. Here we have the tweaks. If you just want to tap on it, it will showing you the tweaks here, and also we have the other apps. For example, the Felza here. If you want to tap on it, you can just go ahead and download it right away from here, and this is how it's gonna be looks like into your device, which will be really beautiful. If you want to change that with a dark mode, it is possible. Same thing, go back to the same source, and here you will be see the CydiaXi dark mode. But for me, in my opinion, this one will be much better than the dark mode. I don't know if you guys like it. Just go ahead and give it a try if you want to. The other thing, once you want to install the CydiaXi, once you want to launch your Cydia, it looks different. You can take a look right now how is it looks like. So this is the Cydia, this is the icon for the developer, and this is the way how is Cydia will be work, or the interface of Cydia how is going to be work on your device after you download the CydiaXi on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I release a new tweaks video. Catch you guys with the next one. Peace.